Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix the Instagram challenge required error. In order to fix the Instagram challenge required error, which you could face it during the time of login. So what you want to do is here, first of all, you have to make sure to understand the reason. So first of all, it could be due to the security concern. And the other thing might be that your device is logged into some unknown devices. So that might be one of the reasons why your account might be temporarily blocked. So now what you could do is, in order to fix it, so first of all, you want to exit out of Instagram application, long press the app info icon, and then you want to click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now make sure to clear storage as well. And then you want to make sure to reinstall Instagram and then update it, or maybe reinstall the updated version of Instagram. That might be able to help. Now likewise, if you haven't already turned on two-factor authentication in your Instagram settings too, to help prevent further security trigger as well. And apart from it, you could also try logging in from a different device as well as using a different network. That might be able to help. And if the issue still persists on, then you could contact the support team, let them know about it. And if you're able to recover your account, or if you're able to access, you could then go ahead and simply change your password. That can help you out as well. So these are a couple things you could do to fix Instagram challenge required error. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.